Welcome! We're excited to be your investing partner as you take charge of your financial future. Through this short video, you'll get a sense of what to expect when opening a Vanguard account. There's no cost to open an account, so let's get started. First, click Open an Account at the top of the page. From here, you'll select Start Your New Account. We'll assume you're using your bank to make your initial investment. You can also roll over or transfer investments from another company. If you're not already a Vanguard client, select No, I'm new here. Here's a look at the process and the things you'll need to get started. The process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your money reaches your new account, you can start investing. You'll begin by selecting your goal and a related account type. You can always reference the frequently asked questions on the page. Your account will act as a container for the investments you'll choose later, such as index funds, stocks, or ETFs. For this example, let's select a general investing brokerage account for one person. Next, you'll provide your personal information. You can be confident that Vanguard uses a number of security measures to keep your data safe. Review your details for accuracy. You'll then create a username and password. In addition, you'll agree to web terms and paperless documents. You'll also set up your security questions. Next, you'll add the bank account you'll use for transactions. All new accounts require a bank on file. Select your bank from a list of popular banks or search for it manually by name. You may see other banks with similar names, so be sure to select the correct one. If you're unable to log into your bank, you can add your bank manually. After logging into your bank, select which checking or savings account you'd like to use. You can add more accounts later. Next, choose if you want to transfer money from your bank now or later. As a reminder, there's no cost to open an account. However, some financial products require a minimum amount. To fund your account now, enter the dollar amount of your initial transfer. In the next step, you'll enter your employment information. Certain occupations may have additional rules and regulations. On the next few pages, you'll answer some final questions, which are required for all new brokerage accounts. Your answers won't affect what products you can invest in, and you can update them at any time. Once you review your information and accept our agreements, you'll receive a confirmation. Congratulations! Your first investment will go into a money market settlement fund that comes with your account. You'll then use this money to purchase investments. We look forward to helping you achieve your financial goals.